Hey, what's going on, everybody? My package just came in from FedEx, and you can tell this came from FedEx because it has a giant hole in the bottom. Today what we're looking at is the RYOBI 18V Brushless Whisper Series 15-inch string trimmer. This is tool only. Price on this is $198. They do not, for some reason, carry this in the store. This one says it's got 6 times more power, I guess with the new Whisper Series stuff. And the reason I went with the 18 volt is because I really didn't want to get into the new 40 volt line. I have a lot of 18 volt batteries from my RYOBI tools. I was just really excited to see this one. This one is a 15-inch string trimmer. The rest of them were, I believe, 13-inch, something like that. So this is going to have a wider cut capacity and hopefully a more powerful engine. It is just tool only, and I'll show you what the trimmer looks like. And here is the trimmer itself. It has this real nice looking engine head on it. Here is your string. It comes with a 0.80 line. It says it can hold up to a 0.95. This whisper guard, I guess it has holes in it, so I guess it's supposed to let more noise pass through. Here's the rest of it. They give you this handle grip, the part where the battery goes in, and here is your high and low speed. We'll be pairing this with a 4 amp battery while I'm waiting on the other ones to come in. This is a HP battery. Unfortunately, there are no extra terminals to support the HP battery. Yeah, usually in the tools that are HP, I have an impact wrench and there's an extra terminal right here, and that delivers more power from the HP batteries. I might try some edging with it. I know this line that's on here is going to get eaten up really fast, but I'm going to try it out with that. And this is how your battery goes in. The first thing I noticed about this trimmer was it was very off balance. I don't know if it's because all of this weight is in this engine right here. Top end is a lot heavier than the back. This is our low setting. That's pretty good for low. It does have that delay when it starts up. Let's try it on a high setting. So yeah, I'm gonna test this out. Appreciate you checking out the video, and I'll see you in the next one. I got a full battery. It's good. So I weeded this edge along here, around that tree, around this tree, around that tree. I'm just gonna weed it around that tree, and that'll be it for the weed eating here. That one job for like, I don't know, 2 minutes of weed eating took a bar out of this. Not a very good sound so far, but I still like it a lot. So we'll see how it goes the rest of the day. Alright, so here's the RYOBI next to my Stihl. This is the KM94, and this is a combi unit, and this is my main tool that I go to for everything. I have probably 5-6 attachments for this. The reason that I went with this one is because it's electric, and I just wanted something lighter and something that's, you know, you just grab it out the truck and go. just finished this one up. It was an edge and weed eat. I pretty much just mowed the whole yard with the weed eater all the way up into the back, and finally down to 1 bar.